Hi everyone, welcome to A Square Maths Academy. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter trigonometry. Now let us start the class. See here, given question is nothing but if cot theta is equals to 15 by 8 and theta is not in the first quadrant, then sin theta is equals to how much? First options are given here. First one is 5 by 12, second one is 8 by 17, minus 5 by 12, minus 8 by 17. So these are the given values here. Okay. So here cot theta value is given. First of all, traditional method, common method I will do. Then after, how to find out easily. In traditional method we find out here like this here. Cot theta is equals to 15 by 8 is given here. Okay, and theta is not in the first coordinate. Okay, given value is nothing but 15 by cot theta equals 15 by 8 and theta not belongs to first coordinate. So here observe the value here, cot theta is positive and not belongs to q1, not belongs to q1. So cot theta equals to 15 by 8 and theta not belongs to q1. That means here cot is positive either in first coordinate and third coordinate. So cot theta is positive in first and third coordinate. So that's why maybe theta belongs to either in first coordinate or in third coordinate. But already given here that not belongs to first coordinate. So remaining we have only this coordinate. That is nothing but, that's why we have to write now theta belongs to third coordinate. So in third coordinate we find out the value of sin theta. Okay. So we take a right angle triangle with angle theta. So cot theta value, that is nothing but adjacent side divided by opposite side. Now we find out here hypotenuse value. How much? Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square, that is nothing but 15 square plus 8 square square root we get here. Side of triangle, that is nothing but hypotenuse. So what we get here? 225 plus 64. How much that is? Square root of 289. So that is nothing but 17. So we got here 17 as a hypotenuse. Clear? So we got here 17. This is hypotenuse is 17. Now adjacent side is 15. Opposite side is 8. Now we will write here sin theta. In third coordinate, theta is belongs to third coordinate. So sin theta equals to, we write here minus. Why? Because in third coordinate sin is negative. That's why we write here minus. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse we write here. So that is nothing but sin theta equals to minus opposite side, that is 8, by hypotenuse is nothing but 17. So 8 by 17 minus 8 by 17. That's why fourth option is the right answer. This is actual method actually. Okay, right. See here, observe this one. But so what are the given sides here? Observe the sides here. 15 by 8 is there. So these two sides are adjacent side by opposite side. Clear? So here these three sides is nothing but Pythagoras triplets. So 8, 15, 17. So directly I will write here. So directly, suppose given these two sides here, then we write here another side, that is nothing but 17. So remember this values here, 8, 15, 17. Okay, so when we take here, suppose here two sides are given, these two sides are given. Suppose you remember this Pythagoras triplet, directly you write 17. So 8, 15, 17 like that. So then after you will write here all ratios, not only sine, all ratios you will write here. So here cot theta is nothing but 15 by 8, tan theta 8 by 15, sin theta 8 by 17, cos theta 15 by 17, sec theta 17 by 15, cosec theta 17 by 8. All ratios are we will write here. Okay, remember Pythagoras triplets, side 1, side 2, side 3. Okay, so most important triplets, these are 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17. So remember these values here, directly you will choose the option without finding the remaining side also. Why? Because you already remember these three sides here. Why? Because given values, observe this one. First of all, given value, observe here. Cot theta equals to 15 by 8 is given here. Okay, 15, 8. These two sides are given here. Okay, side 1, side 2. So you will write here remaining side, that is nothing but hypotenuse 17. Okay, suppose sometimes the 3 by 5 also given here. That value is equals to sin theta or cos theta given here. So then after you remember another side also, directly you will write remaining ratios, all ratios remaining. Okay, clear? So remember these values here. First of all, most important triplets, these are 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25 and 8, 15, 17. So mostly we are using 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17 also. Okay, only these four values mostly we are using. Okay, next question. Tan theta equals to minus 4 by 3 and theta does not lie in the second quadrant. Then sin theta equals to how much? Options are given here: 4 by 5, second one 3 by 5, third one is minus 4 by 5, fourth one is minus 3 by 5. See here, observe this one here, 4 and 3 sides are given. Directly I will write here. So we take a right angle triangle, angle theta. So tan theta is nothing but opposite side 4 by opposite side by adjacent side, that is nothing but 3 side, 4 by 3. So we find out here remaining side, longest side, that is nothing but 5. Why? Because Pythagoras triplets 3, 4 are the two sides, then hypotenuse is nothing but 5. Clear? We got here three sides here. So then after tan theta value, given value tan theta equals to minus 4 by 3 is negative, and theta does not lie in the second coordinate, that means it not belongs to second coordinate. Okay, so this is negative in second coordinate and fourth coordinate, but see here already not given second coordinate, so this is not exist here. So remaining we have only fourth coordinate, so theta belongs to fourth quadrant. So in this fourth coordinate we find out here sin theta. So what is sin theta? In fourth coordinate sin theta is negative. So negative, opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is opposite side here? 4. So minus 4 by hypotenuse 5. So sin theta equals to minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. So option number third is the right answer. Okay, clear? So directly we will write here. So then after not only sin theta, cos theta also we write here. Cos theta in fourth coordinate, cos is positive, so plus cos theta, that is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. You write a cos theta. Suppose cos theta నచ్చింది అనుకోండి 3 by 5 ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? Next, suppose tan theta also already given here. Cot theta is nothing but minus 3 by 4. Reciprocal of tan theta. Clear? Next, cosec theta. So what is cosec theta? Reciprocal of sin theta, that is minus 5 by 4. Sec theta. So what is sec theta? Reciprocal of cos theta, that is 5 by 3. So we will write here all ratios here. Clear? So when we write here, you know the Pythagoras triplets. So what are they? 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 6, 8, 10, 7, 24, 25, and 8, 15, 17. So most of the problems given in these values only. Okay, right? Right. Next question. 180 less than theta less than 270 and sine theta is equals to minus 7 by 25. Then tan theta equals to how much? So first option is nothing but 7 by 24. Second option is minus 7 by 24. Fourth option is, so third option is 24 by 25. Fourth option is minus 24 by 25. Okay. So your given value, first of all, you write here. I will take a right angle triangle with angle theta. So sin theta is given here. That is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay. So we got here opposite side and hypotenuse. So what is adjacent side? That is nothing but 24. So why? Because these are Pythagoras triplets, 7, 24, 25. Okay, so we got here all three sides here. Then after you observe this one here. So what is that one? 180 less than theta less than 270. That means here 180 plus theta and 270 minus theta belongs to which coordinate? That is third coordinate. Belongs to third coordinate. Clear? So 180 plus theta, 180 less than theta less than 270. That means here 180 plus theta, 270 minus theta. So belongs to third coordinate. In third coordinate, tan we find out here. In third coordinate, tan is positive or negative? Positive. Okay. All silver teacups. Clear? So positive, opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. That is nothing but tan theta equals to opposite side is 7. Adjacent side is 24. So 7 by 24 is the right answer. That's why option number 1 is the right answer. Okay. You choose the directly also you choose this one, but ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ డైరెక్ట్గా ఇంతగానో చేయకుండా కూడా డైరెక్ట్ మనం ఆన్సర్ చూస్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎలా అంటే minus 7 by 24 ఉంది, ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు థర్డ్ క్వాంటిటీ వస్తుంది. థర్డ్ క్వాంటిటీ ట్యాన్ పాజిటివ్. 7, 25 ఉంది, రిమైనింగ్ ఏమిటంటే 7 యాజ్ టీ ఉంటుంది, సైన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రిమైనింగ్ సైడ్ వస్తుంది, అది ఏంటంటే 24. సో 7 by 24 ఇస్ ది రైట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, ఇది ఎలా వస్తుందంటే ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుంటే ఎక్కువ కమాండింగ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీరు డైరెక్ట్గా మొత్తం ఎంత సాల్వ్ చేయకుండా డైరెక్ట్ ఆప్షన్ చూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. 7 by 24 ఉంది కాబట్టి ట్యాన్కు సైన్ బై ట్యాన్ కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ పైన చేంజ్ కాదు, ఇది ఒకటి చేంజ్ అవుతుంది. 7 by 24 రాస్తాం. మైనస్ ఇది మైనస్, ఎప్పుడు మైనస్ అంటే 180 to 270 మధ్యలో ట్యాన్ ప్లస్ కాబట్టి ప్లస్ తీసుకుంటాం, సైన్ మైనస్ కాబట్టి మైనస్ తీసుకున్నాం అక్కడ. ఇప్పుడు అదే కాస్ రాద్దాం అనుకోండి, కాస్ రాయాలంటే ఏం చేస్తారు మళ్ళీ కాస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 24 by 25 we write here, but before minus we write here. Why? Because in third coordinate. Okay, next cos sin tan we got here. Then after reciprocals we write here. So reciprocal of sin is nothing but what right now? Reciprocal of sin, that is cosec. Cosec equals to minus 25 by 7. Sec equals to plus minus 25 by 24. Okay, cot equals to 24 by 7. So we write it all ratios here. Okay. Right, next problem. 180 less than theta less than 270 degrees and sin theta equals to minus 5 by 13. Then 5 cot square theta plus 12 tan theta plus 13 cosec theta is equals to how much? Options are given here: 0, -1, 1 and 2. Okay. So here also we take a right angle triangle with angle theta. So 5 by 13 is given here. That means here opposite side by hypotenuse is given here. So these are also Pythagoras triplets here: 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. Okay. So we write here all sides here. So given only 5, 13, remaining side we write here, that is nothing but 12. Okay. So sin theta belongs to which coordinate? First of all you observe this one. 180 plus theta 270 minus theta belongs to third coordinate. Third coordinate sign is negative. So in third coordinate only tan and cot are positive, remaining all are negative. Tan and cot are positive. So here cot theta, tan theta, cosec theta is there. Okay. So cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sine minus 13 by 5 cosec theta. Next tan theta. So what is tan theta? Opposite by hypotenuse 5 by 12. Okay. In third coordinate tan is positive. So that's a plus 5 by 12 we take here. Next cot theta. What is cot theta? Reciprocal of this one is 12 by 5. So we got here cot and tan, cosec also. Okay, we find out the value of a given one, that is 5 cot square theta. What is cot square theta? This is. Okay, so 144 by 25 we get here. Cot square theta. Plus 12 tan theta. What is tan theta? 5 by 12. Next plus 13 cosec theta. What is cosec theta? Minus 13 by 5. Minus 13 by 5. We got this values. Clear? So 12 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 5s are. Okay. So what we get here? 144 by 5. 144 by 5 plus 5 minus 169 by 5. Okay. So now we take here LCM 5. So 144 plus 25 minus 169 we get here. Okay. So this is 169 minus 169. So that is nothing but 0 by something 5 is 0. 0 by something is nothing but 0. So we get here answer option number 1. Option number 1. Okay, clear?